Hi everyone, Silkowski here with some new finds which I got today. These actually got from a replacement window and door specialist company who very kindly allowed me to come to their workshop and ferret through their huge pile of discarded doors and just basically take what I want. Obviously I'm not going to go empty-handed, so I took them some pies and some donuts, and they very kindly let me play. All in all, I got 5 locks off them, all in various states of repair. These are 3 of them. These are 3 of the night-latch ones I got. I got a couple of lever locks as well to play with. As you can see, they've been stored outside, and level of corrosion goes from being to being that's quite serious, although that is probably just the circlip, and to the best. They're an interesting set of brands. They're all 5-pin, 5-pin Yale. Love the patina on this one. That's fantastic. This is I think it's a Capital. Never heard of it. A brand I've not heard of. And then the final one is a Bird. Again, not a brand I've ever heard of before. The Bird also looks like the most well preserved, because I discovered a little fact is if you do this, always go to the back of the stack, because that's where you'll find the easiest locks to remove. If you go to the middle of the stack, things are a bit more corroded because they're a bit more exposed to the elements, and then you go to the very front, things are very corroded. I also discovered there's always at least one one screw that's always completely shot, which is really annoying. So anyway, I'm going to have a go trying to pick this Bird, mostly because it's the best looking one, and see how we get on. Sure. Right, so keyway is huge. Change tool rattling around. Let's try a different one. Slightly better. I can tension it. I've been gripping things. So it's got 5 pins. Other than that, no idea if they're security pins or not. So it may work. Oh, it may not. So very gently feeling for that binder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think we've got the full one set. Let's work back down the stack again. Oh, that sounded positive. A nice good turn on them. Must be getting quite close. Don't know anything about the Bird brand. I've never heard of them. Obviously, I don't think they're still in business, or if they are still in business, they're quite rare these days. And so I'm not sure what the capabilities are, whether or not they're any security pin. It doesn't feel like there's security pins in here at all. It just feels like springs are very dodgy and loose, and starting to think I've overset something there. Still got a bit of a cold. Feels close. Slide indicator rotation, there we go, got it open, so I think there's at least one security pin in there, I think. Don't know, but there we go, it's open, and actually looking down it, I think there was a dead spider in there. Okay, well that was unclear there, but yeah. Look forward to taking this one apart. I'll leave it picked like that, and I'll take it apart, gut it, and see what it's like. So yeah, well, that was fun. Thanks for listening, guys, and take care.